In the busy world we live in today, we can all use a break. When you use a hot tub to focus on your personal well-being, you experience positive change and transformation every time you immerse yourself. Now you can make every day better and enjoy the beauty of Alaska from the warmth of your hot tub, all while spending quality time with family and friends. Since the 1970s, the Waterworks has helped Alaskan families create the spaces they've always dreamed of. And now, it's your turn. Get ready to make a splash this summer with our Big Splash Summer Blowout Sale. During this event, you'll have access to unbeatable prices on hot tubs and swim spas, with savings of up to $4,500 off. Choose from our wide selection of top-of-the-line hot tubs and swim spas, and take advantage of our amazing payment options. Spas, saunas, and swim spas all in stock and ready for delivery. The Big Splash Summer Blowout is for a limited time only. Hurry in and make a splash this summer. Click the link to learn more.